My name is Dora. Let's take somebody.
Si Rana.
Again. Hola, my name is Dora. Let's watch some things.
Ano?
Let's watch some things.
Watch?
And who is this? Let's see. I'm going to put the card in. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's who is this? Let's see.
Oh, sniper.
Sniper.
Oh, yun ito, Chu.
We need to cover it faster.
Yeah. Swiper, no. Swiping.
Swiper.
Ay, hindi. Sniper.
Swiper nga, Bobo.
Swiper ba ito? Ay,
And
oo
now
nga.
we're
Akala ko
going to-
sniper.
We're gonna drink sniper something. Sniper something he don't like. Let's use something he don't want. He don't want ladybug.
Ladybug.
Paano mo nalaman lady yan? It's just a bug.
Ladybug.
How do you know that's a lady?
Mm.
Not a gentleman. Chan mo. I told you, di ba? Kaya Tita Glenn said always na nakabra ka eh. Hindi mo tinataas eh. Nakabra ka ba? Kaya ilang araw mo nasuot yan? So long.
Hola, my name is Dora.
B, hindi ko si Dora.
Hola, soy Dora.
Mukha mo I'll take your picture.
No.
I-take picture. Ang gubad ka na ng jacket. Ganda. Punasan nyo to ha. Ay, mag-start ka na ba?
Let's picture you first.
Send mo naman picture ba?
Yung
Make it good and pretty. Sabi, papalubag-lubog na lang si Chaya pa. Ay,
Okay, what is this?
I don't. It's Dora.
No, is
I saw it na. You take a photo. Sa butterfly. Of Tita Glenn. You take a photo of Tita Glenn.
okay.
Make sure it's beautiful. I'll make you cry. You try. Please. You sure make it beautiful. I'll make you cry to the highest point.
Huh? I'll sapak you. Sige.
Oh, sige, you try.
Make me cry.
Sige, you
She's a
try.
tita, ha?
It's ano pa, upside down.
Sige, kung you take a picture of Tita
Make
Glenn.
it fast.
Tagal naman, full storage na ako.
Naku, nakita. Dalian mo. Kita ni Tita Glenn. It's good. Huwag mo harap sa amin. What else? I'll make you
Take a photo
scream.
na, Tita Glenn.
Scream while crying.
Tagal
Huh?
naman mag-take
Huh?
ng photo.
A sniper.
Sniper.
Look at this.
Sniper. Sabi nga niya,
Look at
sniper.
this.
Bobo ka pa,